Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a picture on Facebook. And that can be a post or whatever it is. So all you have to do is go ahead and find the picture that you want to delete. I'm going to click on my profile here and I'm going to scroll down and just basically find this post and I'm going to go ahead and click it and I'm going to click and delete. As you can see, it says move to trash. I'm going to go ahead and do that and click and move. And it's going to go ahead and delete the post, as you can see. Now, to permanently delete this, go ahead and click your account again in the upper left or click Facebook on the upper left. It's going to take you back to your home page in Facebook. Then go ahead and click your account on the upper right. And from here, go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings again. Now, on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find your activity log. Click on that and scroll down on the left hand side as well and you'll find trash. Once you click in trash, it's going to show you what you have in your trash. So to permanently delete this, you can do it two ways. You can go ahead and click the checkbox on the left, then click and delete on the upper right, or just simply click the three dots towards the right hand side of this and you also have delete. Click and delete again and then click and delete. And that's how you permanently delete a picture on Facebook.